What's up guys, ChaseCat5IRE here, and today I'm going to be going and doing a practice run of a POTA activation with my buddy Derek.
How's it going?
We're just going to go to a park down the street from my house. Maybe tomorrow I'll go out and try to activate one of the state parks around here and do an official POTA run, but yeah. We're just going to go to a park down the street though from my house and just see what we can get. This was my first time running a portable setup, so before I went and drove 100 miles round trip out to a state park just to find out something's wrong with my gear, I wanted to make a test run. We loaded into the park, found a quiet and somewhat isolated spot, and I began setting up my gear. Setting up my gear was pretty easy. All of it fit in my backpack. I mounted the MFJ-2286 BigStick on top of the PVC pipe that I had sitting on the Amazon light stand and stretched out the antenna radials. The setup I was running for portable is the same setup that I typically use at home, so I was pretty used to setting it all up. I stretched out my 50-foot coax to the radio and broke out my Yaesu FT-891. For power, I recently did the Anderson power pole conversion to my FT891. The Anderson power poles make connecting portable power so much easier. I powered up the radio and ran through my initial checks. SWR's right on it, 1.5. I still had a few more tweaks to make before I was ready to start transmitting. Alright, so I just kind of want to show you guys my setup real quick. This is my portable setup. Basically, I just have a cheap little Amazon light stand that I bought for photography purposes a few years ago. Go into a piece of PVC, which is what I used to support the antenna at home. And it's just clamped to it, going into their antenna coil, and the antenna's up there. I think it's like an 18-foot long antenna. And then I have the radiating elements right here, just kind of draped down, going down, out, and away from the antenna. And then coax, about 50 feet of coax running back to the radio over there on the picnic table. And yeah, antenna is tuned up to 20 meters right now. All right, for my mobile setup, I'm just using my MacBook Pro, going the FT891. And for mobile power, I'm using the Powerwerx PWRbox MINI 10 amp hour. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my setup over here. See if we can make some FT8 and single sideband phone contacts. Alright, just to start, I'm going to take the radio down to probably like 15 watts or so, and we'll see what we get on 15 watts, see if we get anything, call CQ a couple times. This is just calling CQ on 15 watts, we'll see what we get. Alright, we got 2. My first contact of the day was with November 0 Papa Oscar Hotel, all the way in Aurora, Colorado on 20 meters FT8 at 15 watts. Worked Colorado, I think it was Aurora, Colorado, and now we're working Massachusetts right now, so yeah. Already got 2 contacts on 15 watts portable. Unfortunately, the station in Massachusetts did not come back to me. Alright, well the guy from Massachusetts didn't want to call me back, so I'm gonna try to get some other ones real quick. Just call CQ again. Right now I'm trying for Panama, see if we can get him. Unfortunately, I was unsuccessful in making a contact with the Panamanian station. Alright, I'm gonna just boost it up to about 25 because I'm not getting very much right now, so see what we get with 25 watts. I ended up turning my power up from 50 watts to 75 watts, where my power level remained for the rest of this video. This guy in Atlanta, it looks like. Alright, just got a contact out in Atlanta, Georgia, so doing alright. I think we're up to 3 contacts now. It looks like we're getting Spain right now. Just working a little bit of DX portable. Alright, we just got a contact with Spanish station, Echo Charlie, 5 Charlie. So yeah, making some DX contacts on FT8. I think I'm going to switch over to single sideband phone real quick. Before I started calling CQ on phone, I decided to try to contact a few special event stations. Kilo India 5, India Romeo Echo. After waiting a few cycles, I was finally able to get through the pileup.
Kilo India 5, India Romeo Echo, thanks for the call, another big signal. Name is Lee, London Echo Echo, located near Salt Lake City, over.
Copy, copy, 5, no, was it a 5-9? You're a 5-9.
Yeah, you're 5-9, easy. What's your name and where you at?
I'm Chase, I'm in North Richland Hills, Texas.
Did you say Chase?
Charlie Hotel Adam Sierra Echo.
Did Yeah, I just had to double check that because I got a grandson named that, and there's not too many of them around. Over.
Yeah, not a common name at all. What was your stroke again on your call sign?
Stroke 7.
Copy, stroke 7. Thank you very much, sir. And I am portable right now, running 100 watts.
Well, you're doing a super job. You're S9 plus, so very good. Thank you for the support of this event, and I do appreciate it. I'll say 7.3s for now, and catch down the log, or hope you can work some of the other K4 MIAs this coming week. This is K4 MIA stroke 7, QRZ.
Copy 7-3, sir. Thank you very much. The first special event station of the day that I logged a contact with was the POTA MIA event, Kilo 4 Mike India Alpha, that is happening this week. Kilo India 5 India. After a few other attempts at contacting other events and some POTA activators on sideband phone, I decided to jump over to a clear frequency and call CQ and see who I could make a contact with. Kilo India 5 India Romeo Echo. CQ portable, this is Kilo India 5 India Romeo Echo. CQ portable.
Whiskey 0, Yankee Echo Sierra.
What was that call sign again?
Whiskey 0, Yankee Echo Sierra. W0, yes.
Whiskey 0 Yankee Echo Sierra. This is Kilo India 5 India Romeo Echo. I got you about a 5.9 here in Texas, 5.9.
You're a nice 5.9 here in Minnesota.
Copy 5.9. Thank you very much, 73.
73.
As you can see, I am definitely still new to HF and learning how to talk on the air. CQ portable. This is Kilo India 5 India Romeo Echo. CQ portable.
I got a Kilo Delta Niner with Foxtrot. It's the 5.7 over Indiana.
Copy that. Kilo Delta 5 Whiskey Foxtrot 5.9.
Kilo Delta Niner, Whiskey Foxtrot.
Delta Niner, copy. And was that a 5.9 again?
Yeah, I got your 5.7. Pretty good for a portable.
Copy that, and that was Indiana?
Yes, right outside of Chicago.
Copy 5.7. Thank you very much, sir. 73.
Yeah, you just came up to a 5.9. Some bands are up and down today. You just came up to a 5.9.
Yeah, the band index showed it was poor today, so thought I'd just see what I could get out there today. 73.
You're doing good. Thank you. Kilo Bravo 2 Juliet Mike.
This is Kilo India 5 India Romeo Echo. What was that call again?
Kilo Bravo 2 Juliet Mike. Your 582 New York. And Kilo India 5 India Romeo Echo. Is that right?
QSL, yes sir, it's Kilo India 5 India Romeo Echo. Got you at about a 5.8 here in Texas.
Very good, okay. Yeah, we're not exactly here with the beam here, but yeah, we're hearing you over here just outside of Niagara Falls, right?
Copy, thank you very much sir. 73.
That's pretty cool, all the way in New York. Seems like it works better than my AT&T cell phone does lately.
Yeah. Made a couple of contacts out here at this park over by my house. Got one in Spain, and the rest were all in the United States. Hunted a couple of POTA guys, and yeah, so pretty much just tearing down from here, and yeah, it was a fun day, and ready to rock and roll on hopefully a POTA activation tomorrow. So yeah, everything went pretty well. The Powerwerx MINI worked really well. It's only at 13.3 right now, and yeah, I mean, it's worked really well. I was going for about an hour and a half, hour or so, and that's going between FT8 and single sideband phone, so it worked really well. It didn't draw a whole lot of power. I've got still a ton of power left on this thing. Pretty successful day, and be back out here tomorrow, I guess. Tearing down was pretty simple. Again, the Anderson power poles make power management so much more simple. The tuning coils on the MFJ BigStick made tuning my antenna in the field extremely easy. And the MFJ BigStick packs away from its nearly 20-foot footprint and fits nicely inside my medium-sized backpack. From there, I velcroed all my cables and packed up the rest of my gear and headed back to the car. Well, it was a successful evening of portable activation. This is my first portable activation, and a big shout out to my buddy Derek over here for helping film this video. Go check out his YouTube channel. He's a disaster journalist. I'll put the link to his channel down below in the description. And yeah, I think we're gonna go get some tacos now.
Yeah.
Yep, sounds
Barrio,
good.
activate Barrio.
All right, sounds good. Gonna go activate Barrio.
Yep.
All right, thanks, man.
All right.
All right, and that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Had a pretty fun time activating portable today. Did some FT8, did some single sideband phone. So yeah, gonna go try to do a POTA activation tomorrow, an actual official POTA activation tomorrow. Have to figure out which park I'm gonna go to, but that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. 73.